friends, it's Running Kimono. I hope you're all doing great. We have a quick curbside pickup deal for you. So what you have to do is order these items through the app, through your phone, tablet, desktop computer, whatever you're using. You have to physically walk into the store, go to the photo desk, say, I have an order for Jane Smith. They'll be like, absolutely. And then they'll process it, scan the QR code on the bag, and then present you the paper receipt, because this is in conjunction with IBOTTA to get some very inexpensive Skittles. In store, the Skittles are a different price, but on curbside or through the app, it's a lot cheaper. So this is what we're looking at, these share size of these bags. I think they're 2 for $6 in store, but they're 2 for $3 in the app. So I'm grabbing 5 of them, and I have a lot of stockings to fill this Christmas. And I mean, this is really cheap. So we're going to put 5 of them for $7.50 in your basket. And we're going to load this little 75-cent off. And yes, it is attaching to the share size. This is a manufacturer coupon, not an IVC, just to note that. So only 75 cents will come off. Now, if you go over to your IBOTTA account, check this out, guys. We have $1 back. And yes, Walgreens is one of the stores. So double, triple check that it says 2 days left. So this guy is going to go quickly, but make sure you still have it, in the IBOTTA app in your Walgreens folder, and make sure that it's still active before you place your order, because I think that once this deal goes out, a lot of people will be maxing it out, because I mean, who doesn't love Skittles? With the new curbside pickup changes, you need at least $10. So we're going to throw in 2 of these Dentec. It's like a floss pick, 2 for $5, but it's on the promotion of buy one, get one free, which is really nice. Now, if you didn't buy this a couple weeks back, whenever people were talking about this deal, I forgot. Hey, we have a $2 off coupon that's working. So you have $7.50 in Skittles and then $2.50 in these floss picks. Add those two together. That's magic. That's called $10. So you can do a curbside pickup, and it is like perfect, isn't it? So looking at our little basket here, our order is $10. Curbside pickup is free. I have my 15 cents of tax. $2.75 are my manufacturer coupons, which is $2 for the Dentec, 75 cents for the Skittles, plus I threw in $5 in Walgreens cash. And so I have to pay $2.40 with my debit card or Visa card or MasterCard, whatever. You can even use PayPal. And then I got to get my butt to the store and then get the physical paper receipt and then photograph that to IBOTTA, and I'm going to get $5 back. So it's basically $2.40 for the 7 items. What's that, like 30 cents plus change for all of that? And just to show you, yes, the digital coupons are in fact attaching. If you use that 2 off of 2 Dentec coupon earlier, I know a lot of people were talking about it like a week and a half ago or 2 weeks ago. I forgot. You sadly can't use that. What I would recommend, if you need another item with a coupon, just grab this Persil for $4.99. There's a $2 digital, dropping it down to $2.99. So yes, it is a little bit more, but if you like Persil, I understand this is just the cat's pajamas if you're trying to clean fabric upholstery. It's supposed to clean like no other detergent. I should actually grab one today because I have one of those little green machines by Bissell to clean upholstery, and I mean, it's something to do in the evening. Okay, enough of my stupidity. Let's talk about 2 quick pieces of business before I take off. This showed up this morning. So if you go to your digital coupons folder, look at the very top, and I have a 5 back when I spend 20. This is valid from the 19th to the 25th. So for next week. Not every account gets these as well. I either get one on my card or my husband's card, which is kind of frustrating. So if you don't get it, it seems the accounts that I shop more on, I get these little perks and bonuses and boosters. Now, on Wednesday morning, the new ad is on Walgreens' website, and I did look at it, and I saw this little freebie that's going to be starting on the 19th. Again, from the 19th to the 25th. It does not start till Sunday. Even if you ask, sorry guys, not till Sunday. You buy one of these bags. It's called Filled Ropes by Airhead for $1.49, and then that register reward will pop out. It's 1 register reward per transaction, and then IBOTTA has $1 back, so it makes it $1 moneymaker if that rebate is still there. So how fantastic is that? Just to throw that in your back pocket, because I know a lot of you will probably see this and be like, oh, how does it work? It works awesomely. But don't remember, Sunday the 19th, it's going to start printing for us. And yeah, this is going to be some free candy. So a couple sweet deals for you over at Walgreens. That's it. And we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.